Welcome back. In this video, we're going to write a JavaScript program that finds all prime numbers below a given number. We'll also be using an ancient but efficient method called the Sieve of Eratosthenes. This approach is much faster than testing each number individually. So, let's explore how it works. The Sieve of Eratosthenes is a classic technique used to generate all prime numbers up to a specific number. Instead of checking each number one by one, it eliminates multiples of known primes. What remains in the end are only primes. We first start by declaring a sieve array to track which numbers are not a prime. We loop from 2 up to the input number n. If a number hasn't been marked, it is a prime, so we add it to our list. Then we mark all its multiples as non-prime. At the end, we return the array of primes. This table outlines each step of our logic. The real trick here is marking multiples of every discovered prime, ensuring we do not redundantly check non-primes. The sieve becomes a filter that lets only primes pass through. Let's look at how this works with actual input. When given 5, it returns 2, 3, and 5. It smartly skips 4 because it is marked as a multiple of 2. With 30, we get a longer list, all efficiently generated without repetitive checking. Primes are fundamental in cryptography, especially in algorithms like RSA. They also show up frequently in coding interviews and mic contests, so learning to generate them efficiently is a major win for your coding journey. Today, we learn how to efficiently find all primes below a number using the sieve method. It is faster than brute force checking and teaches us the value of algorithmic thinking. Try applying this to larger ranges and just see how powerful this method is. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.